In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule messages on Telegram so you can send text at the perfect time without having to remember it later. This is super useful for reminders, announcements, birthday messages, work updates, or anything else you want delivered automatically at a specific date and time. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your device and go to the chat where you want to schedule a message. This can be a private chat, a group, or even a channel depending on where you need the message to go. Once you're inside the conversation, tap into the message box and type out the message you want to send. Take a second to double-check the wording, because once it's scheduled, it will go out exactly as written. Now, instead of pressing send right away, look for the send button. On desktop, you'll want to right-click the send button. This opens up a small menu with extra options. From that menu, click Schedule Message. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're right-clicking the actual send icon and not anywhere else in the chat window. After that, Telegram will bring up the scheduling options. Here you can select the exact date and time you want your message to be sent. This is the part that makes the feature so powerful, because you can plan messages ahead of time for later today, tomorrow, or even days in advance. Choose the schedule that works best for you, and make sure the time is correct before continuing. Once your date and time are set, click Schedule to confirm. Telegram will now save that message and automatically send it at the time you chose. You don't need to keep the app open or manually return to the chat. Everything is handled for you in the background. And that's it. Your Telegram message is now scheduled successfully. This is a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time and help you stay organized, especially if you send a lot of timed messages. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.